bring my dog outside with me. I'm outside to do like a walking training thing outside because he needs to get his training in because I stopped because we got a kitten. But yeah, he knows still his tricks. I'm just going to bring him on a walking thing. So I'm going to get my shoes on and my coat on. Got my coat on, now let's just do my shoes. Got my shoes on. Let's go get my dog his leash. Alright, I want to show you something I trained him to do every time we go on a walk. So I'll show you. Oh, and yes, he's behind me. So I tell him to sit every time, so he just automatically sits down. Anyways, let's head up. It's such a nice day to go outside and play until you slip in my driveway. Our driveway? Our driveway. Yeah, our driveway. Yep, guys, our driveway. Our driveway is so icy, guys. No, our driveway. It's literally all ice. I'm slipped there, guys. And I don't know how my dog runs on this ice. It doesn't slip and get hurt and die and break a bone. But he just slipped a little. He's slipping on his paws. Hi, Goosey. Goosey! It's so I like walking, but I'm not probably gonna do the training on the. I'm probably not gonna do training on the camera because it's kind of hard to do training on the camera. But guys, he does jumping and he does sit, he does paw, he does stay, he does come, he does lots of stuff. But I have to train him to be good on the leash. He probably looks really calm on the leash, but when his brother comes out, he is wild. I mean wild. And look how sturdy the snow is, guys. Hold on, let's go on a piece of ice. I'm so happy the grass is coming out a little. Let's go show you how sturdy the ice is. So, this is the snow right here. Look how sturdy this is. Well, that broke there, but over there's more sturdy, guys. Let's go over there. Ready? See, that's my